Okay, so today is Friday. So today is the day when we get to do our performance task. So we will have a chance to use what we have learned about telling time to solve the problem. Let's check out what our performance task is. Okay, so this looks a little bit different than the sheet that you will be able to print if you wanted to, but you do not have to just because I had to fit it on the slide. Okay, telling time to the nearest 5 minutes. Check out the time at 3 different points during the day. Write the time as it would appear on a digital clock and then draw the hands on the analog clock to match. Below each clock, write what you were doing at each of those times. Do not forget to include if it was AM or PM. So I have made this so that you can see where the digital clock is. And also I put a little clue that this is hours and this is minutes. And then there's a reminder up here. And remember, there will always be 2 digits for the minute. So if you're doing something at 3:05, remember that that would be 3 in the hour and then 05 for the minutes. And then as you're working, think about the strategies that you use to make telling time easier. What did you learn in the videos this week that has helped you? And you can answer on the space below. You can either print this sheet from the link, you can write it on a piece of paper, or you can just think of the times in your head and imagine what a clock would look like. I'm going to show you what I did just to help you a little bit. Okay, here is my sheet that was printed. The first time that I looked at the clock was at 8:30 a.m. And what I was doing at 8:30 a.m. was watching the news. So as you can see on my analog clock, I was able to make the minute hand point straight down to the 6, and the hour hand is in between, halfway in between the 8 and the 9, because 8:30 is halfway into the 8 o'clock hour. And then for my strategies that I use to make telling time easier, I said that I counted by 5s to find the minutes. That makes it so much easier. And then I also learned in the video that if the minute hand is on the 6, then it is 30 minutes past the hour. So when I saw that it was 8:30, I knew to draw it, the minute hand would have to be on the 6. You guys did an amazing, great job this week. Keep on showing off those telling time skills. Find as many clocks as you can. And if you only have digital clocks in your house, which seems like we have many more digital clocks, then you could look at the digital clock and on a piece of paper, you could draw an analog clock to match it. Have a great weekend.